guys, ang aming bahay guys, nagawa sa bamboo.
Hey there, baby.
Manok guys, at saka ito guys, ang aming pusa. Yan guys, ang aming mga kanina.
Magbabaliw sa'yo, yeah. Sa'kin ka na lang, girl. Sayang ka kasi kung sa iba mapunta. Pag nagkamali ka, lagot ka, tapos ka. No,
Yan
no.
guys, yung isa
Hey
guys,
there,
nandun
baby.
sa kanila, mama at papa.
You got me crazy. So baby, can you give me a little time tonight? Think I'm magsisisi when you're with me, alright? We can get it how we did it last night. I promise you, girl. Hey there, baby. Gusto ko
Guys,
wala mo mamalaman.
guys,
Ibang iba. Oh yeah.
tsaka dito guys, sa sulod. Yan guys, yung aming aso guys. Yan guys. Ang liit pa guys. Yan si mama guys. Yan si papa guys, oh.
Alin?
Makulit ang aming aso guys. Ito guys, ang mga tanim. Yan guys, ang pusa. Tsaka yan guys, ang aming aso. Yan guys, oh. Tsaka yung isa guys. Yan guys. Dito guys, oh, sa likod ng aming bahay guys. Yan. Yan guys.